Well, good morning. We are here in the pretty Cotswold village of Lechlade on Thames, and we're resuming our walk on the Thames Path. Now, we started this last year with our friends the Dales. Say hello, Dales.
Hey, welcome.
And it was a brilliant adventure last year. We're not quite as fit as we were last year, mind. So we're doing a shorter leg today. We're going from Lechlade to Radcot Bridge today, which is about 7 or 8 miles. But hopefully it's going to be another nice adventure on the Thames. Anything you want to say before we set off?
Yeah, so we did 15 miles on the first day and then 11 miles after that one. So this one's a bit more of a gentler one before we continue with the rest of the trip.
A bit more sedentary.
Indeed, yes. And it's a lot cooler today, so we're hoping the rain stays off and it won't be as hot as it was last time.
All right, let's just have a quick look, pan around at Lechlade before we set off, because it is very pretty. Look, very, very quintessentially Cotswolds. Look at that there, it's gorgeous, isn't it? All right, guys, well, look, we will see you and later on when we get to Radcot Bridge, and we'll give you some updates on route. Cheers now. Easy, Nay.
Juice twists.
Very nice.
Very tasty.
So it's time for our first geocache of the walk. Chris, where are we going?
We are going over this one. This geocache is called Little Bridges. It's on the Thames Path and it's called The Fish, and it should be at the end of this bridge. So hopefully it's not too difficult to find and it's not hidden too well. So we're going to have a look. So we're going to go through. So I've got a map up which basically points me in the right direction. So we're the arrow and then the little marker is where we are. So it will count down. It says we're 8 meters away.
Okay.
So it should be at the end of the bridge. I'm not sure how well it's going to be hidden. It looks like it's on the right hand side. So it should be anywhere here. So now we've got to find it. Is it going to be hidden under the barrier? Let's have a quick look. Try and avoid all the stinging nettles. You take your life in their hands. And he's found it.
What we got?
And this is the first geocache for Annette and Simon, is it?
Well, I don't know.
So this one, so what we've got to do now, then there's a log page, so we can log that we found it. There should be a little log inside. If I just show you what we got inside it, there's usually like a little log. So if you carry your pen with you or take a photo of it, you can record your name and your date, and then basically hide it for the next person to find. And there are something like over 3 million geocaches in the whole of the UK, or sorry, in the world. The hardest one to find is set on the International Space Station, so we'll probably leave that one till last.
I look forward to you finding that one. Mate.
I'm up to about 250 so far, so in however many years. So these are the logs. Then you basically just record your name on the log and the date you found it, and then it's ready for the next person. So it looks like the last time this was found was the 18th of May, so quite a while back, about a month ago. So we're just going to sign this now. My darling wife will have my pen because I don't normally carry one around with me. Right, pen holder, if you've got one. If not, we'll just take a photo of it to say that we found it.
One geocache down. Cheers,
one
mate.
down. Cheers.
Right, we're having a lovely walk along the Thames Path. We've seen lots of nature. Absolutely beautiful day. We've seen some beautiful plants as well, which we wanted to find out what they were, but we unfortunately didn't have a connection. But it's absolutely lovely. Are you enjoying the walk out?
It's a really glorious walk. It's so lovely with the sun out by the River Thames. And so very calm and peaceful. But as Annette said, lots and lots of wildlife. It's just fantastic.
See ya.
Looks like we've got a pillbox we can explore. You going in, Chris?
I'm going in. All the way up the step. There we are, there are steps here to climb up.
What's it like inside?
It's quite cramped. Wow. There are some glorious views. Yeah, we're inside. No. Oh, wow, nice view of the rivers.
Wow, this is a cool place, isn't it?
Good panoramic view they would have had.
Nice view of the river in case the Germans come up by boat.
I guess the same, you know.
Owls come in.
Come in. This looks cool. Where are you going there?
Gorgeous view.
Ah, hello.
So we've just gone past Shifford Lock. How long do you reckon we've got to go, Chris?
It's about 20 to 30 minutes to get to Radcot, to the Swan Hotel.
It's been a lovely day. Sun's up and high in the sky now. So what do you reckon, about 25?
Yep, I think we've been quite lucky because we've had quite a good bit of cloud cover, so it's kept a lot cooler than it normally has been for our walks.
Right, looking forward to getting to the pub and have a drink.
A nice pint full of ice cubes.
A nice pint would be nice and a bite to eat. So yeah, definitely ready for some food and some drink.
Just coming to the end of our beautiful walk, and over there in the distance I can see the pub. Yay!
So here we are, we've made it to Radcot Bridge and we're going to go check out the pub. We like the poem, very good. Ye Olde Swan Inn. Well, good morning. We're here on the second day of our Thames Path walk this weekend. So yesterday we finished at Radcot Bridge. We had a fantastic meal in the Ye Olde Swan just over the river there. And today we're walking from here all the way to Shifford Lock. Okay, it's about 7 miles. It's a bit grey and overcast this morning, but quite warm. So hopefully the sun doesn't come out and make it even warmer. Anything you want to say before we start, guys?
I say it does look like it's going to be a bit cooler to start off, so I think we've got that advantage to get it going.
All right. Well, look, we'll see you en route. Have we found another geocache, Chris?
We have indeed. It's supposedly on the support of the bridge, so we're just going to have an investigate, see if we can find anything that's nicely disguised and looks a bit like a geocache. It's supposed to be on one of the supports,
And
so it might be underneath.
this is called Old Man's Bridge, isn't
Yes.
it? I'm not laughing, honest.
Honest, you youngsters, you whippersnappers are all the same. So it's on here somewhere, and I think it's on the left-hand side. It's a bit wobbly on the support, so it might be hanging down on a string.
You know what? I might fast forward this bit and speed it up.
Yeah. Today we didn't find this one. It's obviously very well hidden, so between the four of us we couldn't quite see it, or it could well be that it's not there and it's gone. So it was last found on the 5th of June. So we'll try the next one that's on this side.
All right, we'll look for some more. Well, it's very hot and humid and muggy day.
It is, but at least we've got some cloud coverage there, so it's not making it any worse.
We've just gone past Rushing Lock and we had an encounter with a swarm of bees. Now luckily the lock keeper came out and warned us about the swarm, and we were actually allowed through their garden, which was really kind of them.
Yeah.
Just the other side of that, there's a bit of confusing signage. It takes you down through a wooded area, but you soon run out of path, so you have to backtrack and get onto this road and do a little bit of road walking. But it does seem that this does take us back to the path. Now I don't know whether this is the actual path or not, but it certainly couldn't go through the woods. It was all overgrown and
There's no signage along here.
there was no
so
signage or anything. So,
no.
but we know we're not that far from Tadpole Bridge. There's a pub there, so we'll have a stop there and regroup. This is a little bit precarious going over the bridge. We'll make sure there's no traffic coming. There's the pub, it's called the Trout. Lovely. It's nice, got a beer garden as well. Spot on. So we're coming to the end of our Thames Path adventure for this weekend with our friends at Dales. There they are, back there. And this last section, we're in Chimney Meadows Nature Reserve, and this section is really isolated in the wilds of nowhere. It doesn't look as though it's that well walked. We've hardly seen anybody here. The path is not that well walked. It's quite overgrown, lots of nettles, and it's quite uneven as well. Anyway, we've got about less than a mile now to Shifford Lock, where we've parked the car for this second day. But it's been brilliant. The sun has stayed behind the clouds. It's warm, it's muggy, but it's not been unbearably hot. So anyway, a good weekend all in all, and it's great to be back on the walking trails out in nature. Thanks for watching this, if you stuck with us this far.
Just fallen down a divot and twisted their ankle again.
It's all right.
Okay, so we are finished. I think we are just at the bridge prior to Shifford Lock. So Shifford Lock is up there, and our car parked just down there. So we're at the end of our walk. How's it been, guys?
It's been hard work because it's been very hot and humid, but thankfully it's been cloudy enough that we haven't had a lot of sun beating down on us. So,
but the grass it's been some long grass, obviously, with the rain that we've had earlier on in the month, or last month, wasn't it? Last month we had lots of rain, and it's been really hard work.
How's your ankle?
A little bit sore, but it's fine.
All right.
Limp it back to the car.
So we are about a fifth of the way through, Chris, are we?
I think so, yeah, we're doing well.
Fifth of the way through the Thames Path, and we'll try and do some more later in the year. Is that right, Alison? Is it on the diary?
On the diary.
Okay.
Definitely.
Well, look, thanks for joining us, and we're checking out now. We're going to go and have something cold to drink, somewhere nice. Cheers.
Cheers, Ed. See ya.
Please like and subscribe.